how to reset Anki Deck. This is guide to everything. Let's get started. So basically, this is the main dashboard of Anki. The first thing that you want to do is to click on the browse option. And from here, you then want to navigate through the deck that you want to reset. In my case, I'm going to be resetting this 4,000 essential English words. And basically from here, let me just maximize this to demonstrate the video better. The first thing that you want to do inside this page is to click on any one of the cards right here, and then we're going to select them all by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard. So press Ctrl and A simultaneously. This will then select all of the cards inside this specific deck, and then let's click on the cards option, click on Reset. Now, in some other cases, this is going to be forgot depending on your version. And in here, you want to make sure to check the first one, which is to restore original position where possible. Click OK, and then that's it. It will say right here, reset 3871 cards successfully. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.